Take two. Okay, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO. This is the lovely and the talented Natasha. Get out of here. And you know what I was thinking today? What's that? Well, I was thinking maybe I would tell the story of Sabay. Sabay? Bigfoot? Yeah, why not? Yeah, why not you? All right, kids. Here's a very sacred, traditional story of Sabay, Bigfoot, that I'm just making up on the spot. All right. Back in the days of the grandfathers, Sabay, Bigfoot, he lived way back in the woods with his grandfather. And the day came where he and his grandpa were walking around enjoying the woods. And he goes, "Grandpa, I feel like nobody believes in me. I feel like, we spend so much time out here in the woods that people don't believe in me." And his grandfather says, "Well, grandson, a lot of people don't believe in us. And, so what?" He goes, "Well, grandfather, I have dreams. I dream of somehow going down and helping the Anishinaabe. I want to teach them how to share. I want to help them share their dreams. I want to help them make copies of important documents so that they may succeed at their jobs." And his grandfather looked at him and he said, "You know what, my grandson, you should go into the Anishinaabe village. Seek out what you wish to find. And with Gitchimanadu's help, I believe you will find what you're looking for." So the next morning, Sabay, he got up just early, and he put on some khakis and a nice button-up shirt with a tie. And he went down to the Anishinaabe village, and he went to the local library, and he used one of their computers, and he typed up his resume. And then he put down his skills, and he put down, information, how he could be reached, and 3 references. And then he went out, and he started to look for a job. And he goes into a Kinko's, and he says, "Excuse me, sir, may I speak to the manager?" And the manager comes out, he's like, "Oh, can I help you, sir?" He goes, "Yes, I am Sabay. I am Bigfoot, and I wish to work here." And the manager goes, "Do you have any experience?" And Sabay says, "No, sir. What I have is a dream. I believe that by making copies for people, you can help them succeed in their jobs. You can make, for the writer, you can make photocopies so that he can send them out to publishers. For the, what else do people use photocopies for? For making resumes. I don't know. Is Kinko still yeah, I think so." And the manager goes, "You know what? Never have I heard such passion about the career of photocopying before." He goes, "Sabay, I will give you a chance. How do you feel about wearing a blue apron?" And Sabay goes, I would wear that apron with honor, sir." And so that is how Bigfoot got his job at Kinko's. And so kids, the moral of the story is, as Bigfoot will show you, It is not important if people don't believe in you. You must believe in yourself. And this has been your Ojibwe story of the day. All right. You know what? It's already 6.5 minutes. I'm just going to post that. Who cares? All right. Thanks for watching. I will see you again. Giga waba min. Minawa. Hawa.
Pretty women are walking with gorillas down my street. From my window I'm staring while my coffee grows cold. Look over there, there is a lady that I used to know. She's married now or engaged or something, so I'm told. Is she really going out with him? Is she really gonna take him home tonight? Is she really going out with him? If my eyes don't deceive me, there's something going wrong around here. Around here. Something's going wrong around here. Something's going wrong around here. Something's going wrong around. Ba-dum, 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 bum, 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 bum. Ba-dum, 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 bum, bum, ba-dum.